In the last few weeks, we've seen high-profile people, from judges to top editors, facing sexual harassment charges. But an HR manager in Chennai lost his job because he acted on a woman colleague's complaint. The reason? The accused was his boss, who had to quit. Now, no one is offering him a job, and many say that there needs to be protection for those who act on sexual harassment complaints in corporate India. Sam Daniel has the report.
Rajarajan was HR manager with a multinational company. He says he lost the job that earned him 19 lakh rupees a year only because he took up a sexual harassment complaint by a woman colleague against the company director. The boss resigned, but trouble also began for Rajarajan. The award-winning manager says he was first demoted, then sacked, only because he insisted that the inquiry findings should be sent to the government as mandated by the Vishaka committee. Over the last 2 years, no company has hired him. His hobby of aero modeling now brings in some money.
One thing is, the incentive to hush up is very, very high in a corporate environment if the sexual harassment is done by a senior person. The incentive is quite high. Lots of inducements were made to me by the person who harassed as well as the other senior members to somehow hush it up.
The Vishaka guidelines protect only the witnesses and victims in sexual harassment cases and not the managers who actually implement the law. They are at the receiving end, particularly when the perpetrators or their bosses. Rajarajan has now approached the courts to challenge his demotion and has also sought compensation.
This would be a kind of a unfortunate lesson for other HR managers not to dare to take action when senior company officials are involved.
The Act itself says that management personnel are outside the scope.
When NDTV approached the company, officials refused to comment as the matter is in court. With camera person Edwin in Chennai, Sam Daniel for NDTV.